Hello, English learners. Welcome to our English Learning Q&A podcast. I'm Tom.
And I'm Lisa. Today, we have a fun and useful topic, forgetting someone's name. A little embarrassing, but it happens to everyone.
Okay, Lisa, first question. What is the main situation in today's dialogue?
The situation is about meeting someone, but oops, you forget their name. Very common and a little embarrassing. Next question for you, Tom. Who are the people in the dialogue?
Their names are Nick and Anna. They met at a business conference last week and now meet again on the street.
Here's a good one. Question 3. What mistake did Nick make?
He forgot Anna's name. He wanted to continue their business talk, but her name completely slipped his mind.
Okay, Tom. Next. Question 4. What did Nick say when he forgot her name?
Nick said, "This is really embarrassing, but your name has just slipped my mind. Can you remind me?" A polite way to ask.
Your turn again, Lisa. Question 5. How did Anna feel when Nick forgot her name?
She was very kind. She said it happens to her too. She is also terrible with names.
Vocabulary time.
Now let's learn some useful phrases. Lisa, question 6. What does "in a bit of a hurry" mean?
It means you are busy and don't have much time. Example, sorry, I can't talk now. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Tom, your turn. What are contact details?
Contact details means your phone number, email, or address so others can contact you. Okay, Lisa, another one. What does "slipped my mind" mean?
If something slipped your mind, you forgot it by mistake. Example, oh no, your birthday slipped my mind. Tom, how about this? What does around here mean?
Around here means close to this place or nearby. Like, is there a bank around here? Last vocab question for you, Lisa. What does "terrible with" mean?
It means not being good at something. Example, I'm terrible with names. Or I'm terrible with directions.
Fluency tip for you. Instead of "how are you," you can say "how's it going?" It sounds natural and friendly.
This happened to me once, Tom. I met someone at work and forgot their name. I had to check their name card when they weren't looking. So embarrassing.
Me too. I forgot my cousin's name at a big family party. I asked my sister to remind me. Oops. Okay, listeners, a quick quiz for you. What does "slipped my mind" mean? A, I forgot. B, I remembered well.
Wait 3 seconds.
Answer A, I forgot.
What is contact details? A, shopping list. B, phone number and email.
Wait 3 seconds.
Answer B, phone number and email.
Good job, everyone. Remember, if you forget someone's name, stay calm, smile, and ask politely.
And don't forget to practice these phrases every day. See you next time in our English Learning Q&A podcast.